Okay, I accidentally already performed the experiment without doing a video, so I'm going to video my results. Right here is test tube 1, which was the glucose, the 1% that I diluted. And you can see it's red with maybe a little hint of orange, but not much, so it was very light. And then number 2, which was the potato starch, had a little hint of green to it, but still not much. 3, with the onion, had the most drastic response, and it turned a brown, which showed that it had the most reducing sugars in it. And number 4, the water, didn't change at all. It had no change, so it had no reducing sugars in it at all. This was a really cool experiment, and it can be applied just because it shows that, I mean, the testing of an everyday substance and so easily by just adding the, what's it called? The what was that stuff called? By just adding the Benedict reagent, yeah. So, but it was really interesting to find that the onion had that big of sugars, which you always hear, you know, caramelizing onions and whatnot, it brings out the sugars. But it was very interesting, and it's very cool that you can apply that to class and just being able to find the carbohydrates and the sugars and whatnot by simply adding that one reagent to the juices and then boiling it and the color change. It was a really great experiment.